time of flight of projectile. It is the total time taken by the projectile during its flight. Here, we can observe that boy kicks the ball with an initial speed of 50 meters per second through different angles of projection. The ball goes under the combined effect of two velocities: a uniform velocity in the horizontal direction which would not change provided there is no air resistance, and a uniformly changing velocity in the vertical direction due to gravity. As the boy kicks the ball at different angles, the acceleration acts vertically downwards, but the ball follows the parabolic path. In each case, as he kicks the ball, the initial velocity is resolved into two components as shown with the arrows. The horizontal components of velocity are constant throughout the motion, but the vertical component of velocity decreases continuously with the height due to downward force of gravity. Likewise, we observe that the ball takes different time for the journey when thrown at different angles. The time of flight of projectile can be calculated by using the formula T equals to 2u sin theta upon g. However, the time of flight for each angle can be calculated by using the same formula. Thus, we noticed that time period is different even for the complementary angles.